Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing the battery. This prevents shorts and preserves diagnostics. First, open the cheek plates using a Torx bit. Why? Because access reveals wiring harnesses and sensor mounts. Once done, use a multimeter on connector 1 to check continuity. Make sure to record voltage reads. Move fast but methodically. Separate fragile parts with a cloth and keep screws in the tray so you won't lose them during reassembly. You now focus on the complex middle. Identify the damaged wire or failing servo by back-probing connectors and checking resistance. Carefully desolder the bad joint and apply flux before resoldering a clean, shiny connection. This improves conductivity and longevity. If a sensor is dead, swap it for an OEM or equivalent 5V rated part because mismatched specs cause failures. Once parts are replaced, bundle cables neatly with zip ties and recheck continuity and motor actuation. You finish by reinstalling plates and tightening screws evenly to prevent stress on the shell. This preserves fit and optics alignment. Reconnect the battery and observe the boot sequence. Watch for error codes or LEDs that point to remaining faults. Make sure to calibrate servos and sensors after reassembly because alignment can shift. If something goes wrong, log voltage readings, and systematically swap harnesses to isolate the problem. That targeted approach narrows causes and saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.